stand still. Do you want your sweets or not? What are you doing? Waiting for sweets to pop out of my ears. Okay. Oh! Ah! Oh no! What's going on? What's happening? Help me! Two to go. Applejack. How come I'm always lost? Well, how the princess... Wait, you're not Princess Little Rat. No. Come with me. Phew. Do you like my balcony? Well, it's mighty fine there. It's a piece of sheer art or something, I don't know. It's a very nice balcony and oh no, my balcony. Unstable. Sometimes good. And lost, at least. Twilight Sparkle. Finally. You. Let me go. Why did you kill my friends? Sorry, Twilight, but it's my job. Luna, please. It is done. Good.